Hello VB Stars, my name is Christopher. I work at Upper House Dining. Today we're going to show you how to do one of our signature dishes, the Jerusalem artichoke. We start up with a cream of spermbutter. It's just a cream with egg yolks, like a bit hollandaise made. A little bit on the bottom. Here is the Jerusalem artichoke. It's been fried for clarified butter for about 20 minutes. And then we bake it in the oven for 180 degrees. Dry heat for about 30 minutes. Here we got some curate of the artichoke. We spray it with some vinegar. Then we're going to add an apple, just for the oxide. This is Swedish apples, bought from a ship called Ingrid Marie. Those we also spray with some vinegar. And to finish it all off, we have some roasted hazelnuts. It's been put in the oven for about 200 degrees in 5 minutes. So, here's one of our dishes at Upper House. Enjoy!